acquisition show? Are you an upcoming model, actor, rap, R&B, gospel, reggae, or high life musician? Are you trying to find your footing on social media? Do you want to earn money with talent and skills? Do not look any further. Sign up for Ebona, the 103.5 FM Media Talent Hunt and Skill Acquisition Show. Today, you will have the opportunity to learn and become an expert in video coverage, photography, film editing, music production, advertising, and social media marketing, content creation, filmmaking, radio drama, magazine production, and many more. Register today at Ebona, the 103.5 FM Ogidi, opposite Ogunite Boys, inside European Residency Hotel Ogidi. For more information, call or WhatsApp 080 65796599.
Good evening and welcome to Ebona, the 103.5 FM News Update. Today, Thursday, the second day of January 2025, and the time is 4 minutes past the hour of 6. Martin Epanshuku Ekeze is my name. The headlines: Soludo clarifies a position on native doctors' involvement in crime. Oti bans collection of PTA fees in Abia public schools. Imo Assembly hikes Ozodema's 2025 budget to 807 billion naira. Delta governor did nothing wrong. Asaba of Asaba. Super Eagles strikers brace inspires West Brom to win v Preston. Cybertruck explodes outside the Trump Hotel in Las Vegas, killing one. Now, details. Soludo clarifies a position on native doctors' involvement in crime. Anambra State Governor Professor Charles Soludo has affirmed that he has never declared war on all native doctors, but on those involved in criminal activities. The governor said that from investigations by concerned individuals and organizations in the southeast, some native doctors are involved in preparing shams for kidnappers and armed robbers and are engaged in evil practices that may not exclude human sacrifices for money and protection. The state's Commissioner for Information, Law Mefo, who disclosed this in a statement yesterday, said Governor Soludo, out of a sense of responsibility and responsiveness, has decided to stop diabolical rituals that has given reason to evil practices such as Egombute, Okite, Yahoo Plus, and idolatry that are making a speedy return to Igbo socio-cultural life. According to Soludo, the nefarious acts of such native doctors have nothing to do with genuine traditional medicine and activities relating to God and humanity, and emphasized the need to expose and deal decisively with them. He stated that they aid criminality, promote esoteric practices alien to Igbo culture of integrity, hard work, morality, and the fear of God, and will turn the state into a soulless society if not stopped. Oti bans collection of PTA fees in Abia public schools. Abia State Governor Alex Oti has stopped all forms of payment in public primary and secondary schools in the state, including Parent Teachers Association (PTA) levies. This is even as the law mandating all children of school age to be in school every school day has come into effect from January 1st, 2025. These were contained in a New Year broadcast that the governor made to the Abia people on Wednesday. According to Oti, as soon as the new school term begins later in the month, it will be unlawful to find any child outside the walls of the classroom during school hours. We have stopped all forms of payments in the primary and secondary schools. Not even PTA levies should be charged any parent or guardian in any public school in the state. He disclosed that an impressed account system that for the running of schools has been introduced for head teachers and school principals to manage the day-to-day operations of their schools, warning that no child should be extorted or denied opportunities to education. Imo Assembly hikes Uzodinma's 2025 budget to 807 billion naira. Governor Hope Uzodinma has signed into law the Imo State 2025 appropriation bill hiked by the State Assembly to 807 billion naira from 756 billion and faithful implementation of the budget, signing the bill into law at the new ESCO Chambers Government House Owerri Monday. Governor also noted that what the lawmakers did by increasing the original figures he presented before them few days ago shows an alignment between the executive and the legislature in providing essential services to the people. The governor will further express his satisfaction over the expeditious passage of the appropriation bill and tinkering with the original number, said that what had been done by the assembly shows that the lawmakers have challenged the executive to commence work without delay on the 2025 budget. The appropriation signed into law still maintains the governor's consistency in allocating huge chunk of the to capital expenditure in 2025 to the tune of 694 billion 786 million 41,220 naira. Delta governor did nothing wrong. Asaba of Asaba, the Asaba of Asaba, Obi Epiphany Azinge, has said there was nothing wrong with Governor Sheriff Oborowori of Delta State personally presenting the staff of office to him. The 14th Asaba referred to the matter while fielding questions from newsmen at his palace during a press parley slated to unfold a week-long series of activities marking his coronation, warning those making it an issue to stop raising eyebrows. He said the argument the matter generated was uncalled for because the governor did not do anything untoward, and anyone raising an eyebrow over the matter should stop. It is proper that things are put in proper perspective. The Asaba throne is a first class position. There is no denying the fact. Besides, this is Asaba. This is the capital of Delta State. This is Asaba. That used to be the capital of Nigeria. I sit on the throne of this land. There is nothing untoward to in him, the governor, coming. It should be an exception by virtue of the position Asaba occupies. So there is nothing untoward in what happened. We must put that in context. So let nobody protest because Asaba remains the capital of Delta State and there should be exception, he stated. Super Eagles strikers brace inspires West Brom to win v Preston. Super Eagles striker Josh Maja netted a first half brace to inspire West Brom to a 3-1 win over Preston North End in a championship clash held at the Holtons on Wednesday, January 1st, 2025. The victory against the Little Whites marked Baggies' first win under caretaker boss Chris Brunt. 8 minutes into the contest, Maja fired the ball into the back of the net after the Preston defense failed to deal with a cross from Mikey Johnson. His lovely strike ended his 8-game goal drought for the Baggies, with his latest goal coming against Norwich City on November 23rd, 2024, prior to the visit of Preston, after columnist ties fired into the bottom corner to double the advantage. Maja increased the lead 5 minutes to the end of the first half. Maja finished from close range to net his second of the afternoon after a strong run by Daniel Furlong on the right. In the 70th minute, the visitors got one back through Ryan Ledson, who finished from inside the box after a defensive error. There was no hat trick for Maja as he made way for Davante Cole 4 minutes after Preston North and pulled a goal back. You are listening to news updates on Ebonadi 103.5FM. Now we move over to the foreign scene. Cybertruck explodes outside a Trump hotel in Las Vegas, killing one. At least one person was killed and 7 wounded when a Tesla Cybertruck exploded outside a hotel belonging to U.S. President-elect Donald Trump in Las Vegas. Police said Wednesday the electric vehicle pulled up to the Trump International Hotel's glass entrance before a large explosion. Las Vegas Sheriff Kevin McHale told reporters video footage shows the stainless steel truck parked at the hotel entrance before bursting into flames, followed by smaller explosions that appeared similar to fireworks. McHale said there was one deceased individual inside the Cybertruck while 7 people received minor injuries. The whole Tesla senior team is investigating this matter right now, CEO Elon Musk said in a post on X, adding, "We have never seen anything like this." Musk, who backed Trump in the November election and was named by the Republican to head up a commission to trim government spending, said he would post more information as soon as we learn anything. This is where we draw the curtain on news updates on Ebonadi at the 103.5 FM. But before we leave, a quick look at the headlines. Soludo clarifies a position on native doctors' involvement in crime. OT bans collection of PTA fees in Abia public schools. Imo Assembly hikes Uzodinma's 2025 budget to 807 billion naira. Delta governor did nothing wrong. Asaba of Asaba. Super Eagles strikers brace inspires West Brom to win v Preston. Cybertruck explodes outside Trump Hotel in Las Vegas, killing one. You just listened to news updates on Ebonadi at 103.5 FM. News produced and read by Martin Shupu Ekezie. Thank you for listening. Good evening.
Listen to news updates on Ebonadi 103.5 FM immediately after Angelus 6 o'clock a.m. and 6 o'clock p.m. weekdays. Stay tuned to be updated, to be informed. News updates, live reports. Ebonadi FM breaks the news with actualities.
I believe that if we are hoping for a new Nigeria,
you can as well listen online via mixlr.com/GistFM. Ebonadi 103.5 FM Ogidi presents Media Talent Hunt and Skill Acquisition Show. Are you an upcoming model, actor, rap, R&B, gospel, reggae, or high life musician? Are you trying to find your footing on social media? Do you want to earn money with talents and skills? Do not look any further. Sign up for Ebonadi 103.5 FM Media Talent Hunt and Skill Acquisition Show. Today, you will have the opportunity to learn and become an expert in video coverage, photography, film editing, music production, advertising and social media marketing, content creation, filmmaking, radio drama, magazine production, and many more. Register today at Ebonadi 103.5 FM Ogidi opposite Ogunike Boys inside European Residency Hotel Ogidi. For more information, call or WhatsApp 080 65 79 6599. Ebonadi 103.5 FM. Napapoa production. Not my business. when I was telling you ATJ radio drama, here we go. Akụkọ ihe ATJ radio drama, here we go. Can I tell you every Monday, 8 o'clock p.m. with a broadcast on Saturday, 3 o'clock p.m. Now, upon our 103.5 FM.
Yeah, but then also, if you move and finish your business, yeah.
Amara mi le wa di amo. Ko ko na ka do na na ko na ni ri ko na e. Nke ka ku ke wona ala ma wu ku na ya mo le si.
Ekokwana ka call big guy, call
abụ onye Anambra mụrụ ọda agenge m na ọ na-abụ mbata Anambra steeti na-achọ ebe ife na-eme ọ dịka enwe ife na-akọ m ya wee kpọọ ezigbote enyi m nwoke wee jụ ya kedu ebe ife na-eme na Anambra steeti ọ wee sị m ka ọ na manụbe maka Residency Hotel dị Ofin Ogidi wee sị enyi m nwoke ọ gịnị na-eme na Residency Hotel dị Ofin Ogidi ọ sị m chelụ sị m na ebe ọ na-achọ ịpịa m na-abụ ole sị m na enwe executive rooms and suites Ogidi na Residency sị m ka m ejego na dia restaurant ka aka tigodo na chef fadebelu den aka adọrọkwa ya mmanụ ibe a na-esi esi ka ọkwa nri sie mkpọ wesịza m na m bịaja na dia outdoor arena ebe a na-eme ma wedding traditional marriage dedication naming ceremony shows and displays sị m na banwe swimming pool na ọkwa nwepụ ka weda shide nkunye onwe m n'ime mmiri lozi afọ na enwefe wee taa aka sị na ebe a dịkọta ibe m na-eme aga m anọ na Residency Hotel dị Ofin Ogidi so nwa aṅụrị tọla atọ ezi enyi m gwalụ m nwanne na Residency Hotel dị Ofin Ogidi dị well secured in a serene environment. Ọ dị na kilomita 13 Old Enugu Onitsha Expressway. Solukwa m maka ana m eje there enwere fon nọmba onye m ga-eji buku ya na 08140933512. Ana m akpọkwa just now ka m bukuo.
How best can we talk about the challenges we are having on our streets, our community, our society in general? Street report. If we do not address these challenges on Ebonadi FM, who will, as the happenings around us get as complicated as they can be.
Our government,
Whatever Street report is here to make sense of it all. Street report is causing social change across your streets. In your community, Street report is here with hardcore journalists to get to the root of our problem. Why don't you join me, Martin on the first every Friday, 4:30 p.m. on Ebonadi 103.5 FM as Street Reports unfolds in your face. On Martin Ebonadi 24/7, 24/7.
Okay, guys, thank you. Like, subscribe, and share. Right, hit the subscribe button right here. You rock, okay? Dialogue.